Okay, so I am currently heading up to the foothills. There is like a lightning storm happening. Don't recommend this actually, but it is literally just calling me, and my whole body is like, yes, we are going, and we're going to go up to the foothills, and we're gonna shoot some ecstatic dance. I love storms. I have always loved storms, and so to just like be out in nature up in the foothills, like overlooking the city, surrounded by just like all of the different colors of nature and energies up there, and just dancing that, yeah, I'm excited about that. Also, I have like the biggest pimple I've ever had in like years, and I don't know what's up with that, but it's there, and I'm just gonna point it out and acknowledge it because it is very much there. Okay, I found literally the perfect spot. Blue skies on one side, storm behind, but there's like pretty much blue skies above me, so it's not dangerous for me. But check it out. There's the storm. Back here is blue skies mostly. Ooh, just got a lightning strike, and it's flat. It's a nice flat surface to dance. Some pretty wildflowers. Let's do this. Whenever I'm doing this stuff, people always give me the weirdest looks when they see me. Thank you, Storm, for being my muse today.